My people, welcome to another episode of Pidgin Vibes Yarnings. Today, our yarnings carry us go this resident doctor strike for Nigeria. Of a truth, I really no understand this present administration. Because why 2025 resident doctors go strike? You know, be say the strike last like 24 hours. Maybe you also say, okay, they don't meet their demands. I never see anything when they don't do. Okay, all these people they vex say, okay, you carry us go negotiation table, we agree on something, okay, we call off strike, una go back go dey do another thing. I really no understand when we go start to dey value our doctors. Una dey shout say make our doctors no japa, more our doctors no japa. When you go start to dey value all these resident doctors? Because I really no understand all those people when they go outside the country, they dey always dey come out among the best, but they go dey their own country na dey work with the depleted healthcare wey we get for the country, still yet una no go value them. Na Nigeria you go see doctor dey use touch take dey do operation, but we no go value them because I really don't understand. You go hear say we dey build houses for judges, we dey buy cars for judges, we dey spend so and so trillion take do things, irrelevant things. Den the people wey be say dey among the source of generating income for the country, for the government hospitals, we no dey do them well because I really no understand. Because no be all Nigerians go fit afford private hospital. I dey online that day, I dey see one girl dey cry. Her mother even die for the whole process, but private hospital make she go. Dem dey tell her say make she come bring bill of no be 2.5 million, abi 6 million I see that day. The mother dey no spend reach 24 hours for the hospital. Wey be say they no do any major surgery for her, they no do anything for her o. Tell me which government hospital for Nigeria go do that, go say na that kind bill they wan give you. Wey be say you no wan even spend 24 hours for there. Because I no understand. All our doctors they don comot finish, they don japa. We basically no get resident doctors again for this country like that. As all those guys even dey, all those they dey overworked already. They dey overworked. But still yet they say they wan dey make sacrifice. You know, no fit enter negotiation table, negotiate the whole process, do what is right, for heaven's sake. Which kind of government will even dey safe? Na one thing we dey talk every day. Because how 2025 your resident doctors dey on strike, I never see any move wey federal government don make to take address this whole situation. The healthcare as e stand, e no level again for our healthcare. The people wey dey manage dey pass una let them go on strike, una no ready now to do the necessary thing for them to resume work. Because wetin be this nonsense wey dey go on now? Wetin be this nonsense? How long we go continue to dey live like this as a nation? Because I really no just dey happy, I dey very sad with the whole situation wey dey go on for this country. Hi my people, una do o.